my name is Janella and I'm back with a new video. So 7 days ago, I posted a video of me trying the 2-week shred program by Chloe Ting. And guys, 4 days later, I woke up one morning scrolling through my phone and I had so many notifications. I was really confused of like, what's going on? The first thing I checked was my friend Virma's text and she said something like, "You made it?" I'm like, what? I made it where? And then I saw like the video. I got featured on Chloe Ting's channel, guys. Then I check on my YouTube channel, so many heartwarming comments and so many DMs, and I'm just like, my heart. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, leaving nice comments, and I really appreciate you all. Thank you for supporting a small YouTuber, starting YouTuber. I'm new, guys. That was my first like official video. Now I'm gonna cut off the drama now, guys, and actually answer you guys' most requested question or like video, which you guys asked me about, like my diet. Did I change my diet? What did I eat? Yes, I changed my diet, and on this video I'm gonna show you guys what I typically ate. Not exactly. I wrote down 60% healthy just because we had some family events like birthday, Easter, and sometimes we're craving fries. I have to eat, guys. I'm sorry. I have to eat. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop rambling now and actually show you guys what I typically ate during the Chloe Ting shred program. Here I am slicing some lemon. I'll only be using half the lemon and squeezing them on this mug. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can kickstart our metabolism and our body into a calorie burning mode. But for other options, you guys can also try apple cider vinegar with warm water or just drink warm water by itself. Now for breakfast, I usually have some oatmeal bowl, or sometimes some other days I would have some omelette. Here I have some instant oats, but if you guys have the old-fashioned rolled oats, that's even better. I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of chia seed, for they are excellent source of omega-3 fatty acid. Now adding 1 cup of water to this mixture and cooking it in the stove for about 1 minute to 2 minutes, depending on your liking. Adding some strawberries, whatever fruits you guys want, just add it on there. Now also drizzling some almond butter, and if you guys are allergic to nuts, then you don't have to add it. And now sprinkling some granola for that extra touch. Now for lunch, I'll be having some teriyaki bowl. These are the ingredients: some mushroom, some broccoli, garlic, bell pepper, brown rice. Now for protein, I'll be having some chicken breast, seasoning salt and pepper, and teriyaki sauce. Now adding the oil and my garlic and chicken. After stirring the chicken for a couple minutes, I'll be adding the vegetables. After adding the vegetable, now I'm pouring my teriyaki sauce. Here is my bowl of rice, and now adding my stir fry on top. If if you guys don't like these veggies, then you guys can add whatever vegetable you guys want. As long as you're eating vegetable, then you're doing it right. Now for pre-workout snack, I like to have some rice cake almond bananas. Now this is a snack that I always eat every day just because it's pretty easy and pretty quick to make. Other options will also be avocados on top of the rice cake, and that would be like perfect combination. Now during the 2 weeks, I always make some healthy smoothie. Now this is just my version. You guys can just add some spinach, or if you prefer kale, then just add that and put any fruits that you guys want. Now adding 1 cup of water, and if you guys have almond milk, then go ahead and have that instead. For dinner, I'll be having some shrimp wrap. Now cooking the shrimp, and if you guys don't like shrimp, you guys can also have chicken instead, turkey, fish, or other kind of protein. Now this is how I would usually make my wraps, adding some avocado, tomato, lettuce, and some kind of protein. Now I always like to top off my wraps with some kind of hot sauce, so you guys can add whatever sauce you guys want. I also want to include in the video that I drink about 2 cups of green tea every day during the 2 weeks. On the evening before I go to sleep, for green tea helps the body's metabolism. Lastly, water guys. During the 2 weeks challenge, I only had water. I always refill this thermo flask 2 times a day, so drink water and stay hydrated.
Missing someone.